ng mantika.
Ano luto natin? Tinola?
Tinolang manok with papaya.
Delicious.
Ayan. Pag mainit na yung oil, we need to
Anong
put
ilan?
the ginger.
Ginger. And then you halo-halo the
Yeah.
ginger.
Mix with your wooden, what's that? Sago?
Bakit ginger mo naman ito?
Yeah. Yeah, ginger. And then,
Nila?
yeah, and then onion. Because,
Where's your garlic?
because
No garlic.
no, there's a garlic, but it is the powder roasted already.
Later.
No, now. Because it will burn easily. And then mix together.
Ayaw manok na. Baka masunog na yun.
And
put
then
the
add
manok
your
to chicken.
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 Yeah. I added salt already with the chicken.
This is perfect for winter.
Ay, sorry!
Okay, sorry. It's so hot.
No.
It's so funny. You need to be happy you are cooking. And then let the oil come out from the chicken.
Dapat magmamantika.
Lalabas yan.
Yes, the natural oil.
Oil from
Dapat mag-isa maigit.
yes, that's what we are doing.
Para mas
Can you have a black pepper, please? Siguro ka lang sabi.
Ayan.
Don't worry, we will add we will add water later. And sometimes naglalagay ako ng siling haba.
So, dapat talaga gisahin mabuti
Yes.
yung manok.
that's the technique.
Yan, kailangan.
Para ma-absorb niya
yan.
talaga yung
At maalis
salt,
yung
yung lansa.
langsa.
Pero yung asin, later ka pa naglalagay.
Nalagay na
Nalagay.
before nung minarinate niya yung chicken.
I marinated with chicken. But we can add some more. It depends on our taste.
Sarap ng tinola.
This is perfect for winter.
For the weather.
Winter.
I like
Winter season.
tinola nila.
Masyadong malamig sa Scotland. Kailangan natin ng sabaw. Sabaw ng manok.
Pampainit.
Oh.
You know, that's a favorite dish of my granddaughter in Spain. Yeah.
Tinola nila.
Especially
Gusto niya ng...
may sakit siya.
Sabaw.
Oh, kasi, di ba, pag may colds, kailangan natin ng chicken broth. Very healthy.
Tinanggal ko yung konting chicken.
Sana to. But you can add a patis, which is
Yes,
much
they
better.
like the food.
Let me take the water.
Ayan, nag-brown na yung chicken. Tapos nilagyan ng... Anong nilagay mo kanina?
Healing bird.
Labuyo.
No, that's healing bird.
So, ayan na, nag-brown na yung chicken.
Chicken.
Tapos nilagyan ng patis.
Yeah. Added
Patis. And then the green chili.
Yeah.
Now you can add more.
Okay.
Add more fish sauce.
And then
And
hot water.
hot water. Okay. Pour some hot water.
Yeah. Some more.
More. Okay.
We need a soup.
Oh, soup. Okay. Ayan.
Much better if we taste the
Is that,
Nangangamasarap.
ano yun? Chicken broth?
no, yung
Rice.
rice.
Ah.
Lawas.
Yung
Hugas bigas.
hug-
Hugas bigas.
hugas bigas.
Mahirap mag-English.
Hugas.
Hugas bigas. And let it boil.
You cover. Let it cover it.
Yeah. We need to add water in the lard.
Ayak.
Presentia, where's the cover?
Madam, I'm looking for it.
Ayan.
And
And then
it's
you
the
cover.
cover.
Ayan.
Then,
Ayan. Ooh.
smell nice.
Lumambot na. Lumambot na. So yung kanina, yung nilagay natin yung hugas bigas is rice wash. Yun ba yung sa English?
Water.
Water, rice wash, water.
Parang masarap. Halos kalbari na yun.
Yeah.
Oh.
it-
Kaya lang,
the
walang
same-
rice.
The same ingredients. Ganyan din.
Yeah.
So, pero yung dadagdag mo lang yung rice, right?
No, glutinous rice.
Glutinous rice. Okay. So,
Ay,
ano na?
the papaya now.
So, saan yan? Galing ba yan sa garden mo, yung papaya?
From Tesco.
O, meron sila doon na green?
Yeah. Nice.
Kala ko, may tanim sa atin.
Parang,
No.
akala ko galing sa
They
garden.
will not survive here because of the weather.
Oh. Mabuti na lang may papaya sa Tesco.
Tesco.
So, pag yung may mga naghahanap ng papaya, nasa Tesco lang.
At pwede po kayo Tesco mag-sponsor namin.
Papaya from
Ang sarap
Tesco.
Supplyan ng papaya.
So, tapos takpan natin uli para palambutin ang papaya.
papaya.
Ah. Next is I'm going to put the Chinese little vegetable.
Pechay
Chinese little, yeah?
Kung sa Tagalog,
Ano Tagalog mo
hindi
ba?
pecha yan.
Hindi ba?
Hindi
Ano
pecha.
Baguio.
Baguio
Baguio.
veg.
No.
Baguio.
Pechay Baguio.
Pechay Baguio.
Pechay
Yung sa
Baguio.
Tagalog,
Pechay
pechay
Baguio.
bagyo.
Okay, sorry.
Kung sa Korean,
Correct.
Parang sarap na.
kasi iba-ibang tawag yan eh. Iba-iba yung mga pangalan.
Oo.
Di ba yan ang ginagamit sa pang-kimchi? Yan ang ginagamit sa
Asan yung
kimchi.
Chinese leaf.
Chinese.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
oh,
Chinese
Leaf. Oo nga naman.
Kahit
It's
Tagalog,
right.
pero Tagalog, hindi ko alam.
So, yan ang sa
Kimchi.
kimchi
What
yan.
are you looking for?
Chinese
Ayun,
leaf.
yung pepper.
Yung pepper. Lagyan natin.
So, you added black pepper. Ayan. Tapos,
You're
antayin na
done.
natin hanggang
Yeah,
lalong
cover.
lumambot.
I-cover muna natin.
Pag-cover and then after
Yeah.
that, pag lumambot na ng konti yung cabbage,
Yeah.
Chinese
Yeah,
leaf,
that's it. Cook.
ayan na yung tinolang
Tinolang
manok.
It's time to eat.
Luto na and it's time to eat.
And that's it. Hoping that you will like it.
Yes, try and make
Chow
tinolang
chow.
manok.
Yeah.
How about our...
Ito yung tinolang manok with papaya.
Sa soup.
And ito yung
Soup, soup,
salmon.
soup, soup, soup.
Ano yung nandyan sa
Ay,
ibaba?
walang nakalagay. Ay, sabi.
Ano ba yan?
Sarap.
Kanin. Meron na kaya.
Meron na po kami. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gusto ko yung rice. Ito ate, ano naman, salmon.
Ito yung salmon
Yeah, I
na
put,
pinipray mo.
I put in,
Ano yung nilagay mo na
in the
ingredients
oven.
dyan?
and
Salt,
just
pepper.
salt and
Garlic.
pepper.
And olive
and
oil.
Yeah, and I put
Butter.
some with it butter.
Okay.
And now,
Put it back na
yeah,
sa
Spray
oven.
with olive oil.
I spray with it olive oil.
Ito na yung Kakainin namin yung tinulang manok at yung salmon. Yan. With rice. Kain na tayo.
Ito na lang, marami.